Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and I just crossed 1,000 subscribers last night. I'm very excited. So I thought it was time to redo some old mistakes. My second video I ever did was on cleaning carpet in your car using only shave cream. So today we're going to redo that video for you guys today, now that my subscriber base is much bigger. And I'm going to show you real quick what we're working with. Guys, well, one of the first things you're going to need is a vacuum. You could use a shop vac like I have here, or you could use your regular household vacuum with an extension cord and the wand attachment. That would work as well. Next up, we're going to the brushes. Now here I'm opting for a drill brush combo. I have the small brush for the tight spaces, the larger brush here for the big flat spots. And of course you're going to need a trash bag to pick up all the big dirt and debris before you vacuum, and then of course a bottle of shave cream. So let's get started. Now that you have your bag of trash that you cleaned out of the car, you've pulled your floor mats. This is going to be the main part that we emphasize. Since the floor mats are going to be the worst of this vehicle's carpet issues, I will just run down them and show you what we have. This is the carpet from the back seat. This is the passenger's carpet stains all along the edge, a lot of discoloration, some matting there, some kind of food or coffee, oil and things. On the driver's side, lots of staining here where the entry exit is to the door sill, and then just lots of discoloration and matting everywhere else. So let's see what we can do with shave cream. Here, go ahead, cover the whole thing, all the bad areas. You gotta hold it upright, dude. No. Hold it like that. Get it everywhere. You pointing it?
Yeah.
Carpet?
Yeah.
Okay. Here is the final product. It's very sunny out here, so if the lighting's not perfect or if there's some spare grass on the floor mats, you'll have to excuse me. But, and there is the one for the back seat. Check it out. Now, is it gonna work miracles? No. I never said that it would, but is it a great low-cost way to clean your floor mats? Yes, especially yes. And it's gonna leave them smelling very nice for months to come. I've done this to a couple of vehicles now, and it smells great 6 months later. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to do a better video of this, hopefully a better video of this, and show you what can happen if you clean carpets, specifically car carpets and floor mats, with shave cream.